Okay, I'm actually like amazed right now. I just got this $8 portable fan power bank and it works amazing. And this fan is going to cool you down quick and go all the way up to 100 speed, and this thing blows some serious air. And this even has a built-in LED flashlight, and you have a USB-A and a USB-C port, so you can even charge 2 devices at the same time. This has a clip on both sides that are going opposite directions, so you can either clip it in your pants or on the outside, it is up to you. And you also get a USB-C charging cable and a neck lanyard if you want to wear it as a necklace. If you want to grab this while it's on sale for only $8, I left the link down below.